What's up, y'all? It's the Vegan God. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you guys one of my 10-minute recipes. I'm gonna try to do this in 10. I'm pretty sure I can do it in 10 minutes, but go and get your timer started. Let's go. I got a little pot of water. It's filled up halfway. We're gonna do one of my favorite little Asian dishes with the chow mein stir-fried noodles. Really simple. We're gonna make sure we season the water. I don't want to sound like I'm rushing, but I'm trying to make this under 10 minutes. Okay. A good check on them seasonings. You know what I'm saying? Don't be scared of it. Don't be scared of it. All right. We're gonna go ahead and put some. We're using grapeseed oil today. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that in here. Get this started in a minute. First things first, I'll hit it with the peppers. This is how I cut mine. I know this ain't right, but this is how I like it. This is how I like it. Probably wasting a lot, but it's all good. I'll figure it out. Self-talk, you know how it goes. Get the slicing. To the side, man. I ain't gonna try to be too neat. But y'all see what's going on. I got a red pepper, a bell pepper. I love my bell peppers. Can't get enough of them. Get that slice too. Man, somebody give me some knife set, man. I need some new knives. I don't know what's going on. I lost a knife at my last event. Not keeping up with stuff, man. I can't keep up with nothing. We're gonna get this going today, though. So, I got the peppers, getting them going. Got it on 8. I got the water for the noodles. That's going. We'll cut up some. What should we cut up next? I'll cut up some onions. My onion. So if you don't know how to cook, man, it's all about practice. I mean, if y'all knew how many times I done fucked up, like for real. But it's all good though. Keep going. That's my only advice. I still think my onions going. The recipe will be on my website, chefjoeyjoe.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. I know y'all don't have a lot of time, so that's why I'm making these. This is the first episode of my 10-minute meals. One of my favorites too. Turn it up, I need to hear something popping, baby. I need to hear something popping. All right. We get the zucchini going. Can y'all see me? All right, look like I'm doing. Cutting and slicing and dicing. I am on TikTok, the Vegan God, Instagram, the Vegan God, the Real Vegan God, or you can just type in IPayme, IPAYME, or the Real Vegan God. TikTok, the Vegan God. Twitter, the Vegan God. I ain't hard to find. All right. Getting some zucchini together. Gotta have you some zucchini, you know what I'm saying? Nice full flavored, nutritious, quick meal. Really quick. Cook, baby, cook. I'm talking about. I don't like them slices. I don't know. I was going back and forth. I'm always going back and forth. Might slice it one more time. Kind of like them. Oh no. Water's almost boiling over here. Cut these mushrooms next. Chopping and screwing, baby. I'm from the H-Town, baby. Chop, screw. I'm from Louisville, Kentucky, man. So if I hear my accent, that's where I get it from. 502. 502, man. I reside in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am the best vegan chef in the world. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. That's what I thought. Y'all can't prove me wrong. I ain't hear nothing. I can't prove me wrong. I'm going to go ahead and dice these up, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and dice them up. These are white mushrooms, by the way. One of my favorites. One of my go-tos. Not one. I ain't gonna say it's not my favorite, but I use it a lot. It's one of my go-tos. Inexpensive, so as you learn, you want to make sure that you don't spend a lot of money on learning. I mean, not it's gonna cost, but you don't want to waste a lot of money. So these mushrooms are good to start with before you get to the oyster mushrooms and the lion's mane. And that stuff is expensive. I ain't gonna lie to you now, you. Poultry season, something can't go wrong with. I'm gonna hit it again though in a minute. Just want the zucchini to hit the glue now. Matter of fact, you know what? If I put the zucchini in there, the mushrooms, they can cook at the same time. They're pretty much on the same level as how fast they'll cook. 1 second, get a little spoon. Okay, got my spoon. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Only cooking now. So I hit it with the poultry. Y'all seen that. I hit it with a little lemon. Major key. Got some ground paprika. You know what I'm saying? Hit it with that. Put a little more oil in there. Just, be careful. I won't burn the skillet. You know what I'm saying? I won't burn the skillet. This can feed two, man. This can probably feed two, man. I don't put a lot in here, man. This can probably feed two. I see how it's looking. It's looking good, huh? Yeah. Did I get the onion powder in there? I don't know if I did. I'm gonna put a little bit more, man. You can't get enough of the onion powder. A little garlic powder. You know what I'm saying? A little white pepper. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, it's sticking to the pot. It's sticking to the pot. Y'all seen that? Y'all seen it? And my secret weapon. My secret weapon. Cocoa amino, soy free, baby. Ain't nothing in her. I'll tell me this ain't the one I can't open. I can't get this open. There we go. I had pressure today. I had a little pressure, man. I couldn't let y'all see me not be able to open that. That's what's gonna get it busy right there. Oh, it's popping. It's popping, baby. It is popping. My water's about to boil for my noodles. Y'all see, they're gonna get a good look at that. You see it? I see it. Oh my! I wish I could smell this. I really wish I could smell this. It smells so amazing. Oh my God! It really does. I promise. I wouldn't lie to you. I wouldn't even lie to you. Ooh, it smells good. I'm gonna put a little garlic salt on it, just a little bit, just a tad bit. Just hit it with a little garlic salt, Don't be scared, A little garlic salt, son. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, I don't even got to taste. I know what that's gonna taste like. I know it. I promise you. But you know what I'm gonna do? This one goes a little faster. I'm gonna go ahead and switch this over. We're gonna get these noodles popping real quick. Oh yeah, we're doing good. We got good time. We got good time. We on good time, baby. You know what I'm saying? Having little problems over here. Damn. There we go. I'm going to go and throw both of them in there. You know what I'm saying? Just for the hype. just for the hype. Get that going. This is doing what it do. This is pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and just taste it just for the, because I know it's good. Look at that. Perfecto. But you know what? I like a little spice. If you never use cocoa aminos, it has a little sweet, tangy little flavor. So just so you know, straight cayenne pepper. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know what you're doing. Spice up just a little bit. I'm gonna put a little more white pepper in there, and a little ground mustard. A little ground mustard. Don't be scared to use a little ground mustard, baby. Just a little bit. See it? I'm gonna use all of it. I'm gonna use boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna use all of it. Be alright. It's gonna be alright. Man, that was delicious. I can still taste it in my mouth. Jesus. Whew. That's good, y'all. That's really good. The recipe will be on my website. It will be. Want to check out these noodles? These noodles don't take nothing. They're almost done. They're literally almost done, on God. I wouldn't even lie to you. If we really good on time, let me go ahead and see what the noodles doing like. It's hard. See, trial and error. Cook, baby, cook. We got a couple more minutes. It's not boiling like I wanted to for some reason. That's why I need that gas stove. So my GoFundMe is gonna also be on my website. So if y'all want to see me elevate, you know what I'm saying? Just keep doing what y'all do. Keep supporting me. Keep subscribing. Hit me with a little donation. I'm gonna send you a gift pack. I was about to say I might send you one, but I'm definitely gonna send you one. If you support me, I gotta take care of you. I don't care where you at. You don't gotta be vegan. I'm just gonna gotta be vegan. Alright. The noodles are still cooking, they doing their thing. Oh yeah, today, this video is sponsored by Health Daily Wild and Black Panther. Man, this is some good stuff. It helps with digestive issues, aids in weight loss, anti-inflammatory properties. What's in it is kelp, ginger, and black seed. Black Panther, Health Daily Wild. It's good stuff, y'all. That's the Corona kill. Ah, man, look at these noodles. Y'all know what time it is on these noodles. Hold on. I don't think they're ready yet. I'm about to try one anyway. Hold on. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. Hold on, let me see what it's doing. It's chewing. It's chewing. Got that stiffness out of her. Oh shit, that's hot. That's hot, y'all. Hold on. Give me 1 second. It's hot. It's hot. 1 second. Hold on. Let me get my drain real quick. Let me drain these noodles. Let me drain them. Let me drain these noodles real quick. Boom. They drain. They are drained. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Throw them right back in there. I'm gonna hit it with some cabbage. Tricolor coleslaw. Green cabbage, carrots, and red cabbage. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get nutritious with it, you know what I'm saying? We're definitely gonna get real nutritious with it. I'm gonna throw some of this back in there. Put some of that back in there. We're gonna get real nutritious with it. You know what I'm saying? We'll get that cabbage in there, and carrots in there. We're gonna make it do what it do. Y'all see that? I know y'all see that. Put a little bit more in there. This will make it real good and fuller. You know what I'm saying? Real good and fuller. Yeah. Get up me a little bowl. 1 second, y'all. I ain't going nowhere. Hold on. Watch out now. Boom. I'm gonna hit it with the boom. Feel me? I know y'all feel me. I know y'all feel me. Boom. See that? Boom. I'm gonna hit it with some of these nice sauteed veggies. Ah, man, what did he just do? Hold on. What did he just do with that? Hold on. Ah, man, hold on. Y'all see what he just did? Y'all see what he just did? I'm gonna go a step farther. You know, you might want something a little crunchy just to, just to kind of, I don't know. Just trying to get the Asian spirit on her, you know what I'm saying? Let's get a little crunch with it, you feel me? It's a little crunch. Something simple. And boom, man, let me get my fork. Gonna get this taste test on real quick. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? And see, to top it off, what you gonna like, what you gonna need. Damn, this topping got stuck in here. Hold on, nephew. See, stuff be happening. See that? Stuff be happening in real life. This is not reality. This is real life. Just to top it off, just even get a little saucy. Let's make it a little saucy. So here we go. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Y'all see that? Oh my God. Oh man. Hold on. Hot. Fire. Look at that. That's amazing. That's amazing, y'all. Stay tuned. More of this is coming. Website chefjodyjoe.com.